Hi everyone, Shyamal here from Hyper Automobiles, and today what we have here is a 2016 Honda Jazz. So before we kick off this review, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we have huge loads and loads
Plans,
of content
yeah.
coming. And yeah, as I said before, we're doing this for a reason. We're going to disclose it in a few episodes. So keep watching, please subscribe. Oh, getting back to the review. So at first, you're attracted with this huge one-piece grille which new Hondas have. And then this chrome treatment over here, it's just a line that connects both the headlights. These headlights are, Honda's, natural default aggressive headlights. So this is
that's
the key. This is the key over here.
And it has that symbol behind.
And yeah, this is the unlock. So same thing as City.
Yeah.
It does
The parking
unlock.
lights get activated.
Exactly. So yeah, and that's about the headlights. Now coming down over here, you have the fog lights over here, but the sad thing is you have fake vents over here. I
Yeah.
don't know why they
And
did
the
that.
problem of fake vents is like the dust gets clouded in them.
Exactly, and it's
you
very,
can see the
exactly.
dust.
It's very noticeable.
Yeah.
And then when you come here also you have a bunch of fake vents, and
Yeah.
then but here you have the real ones.
Yeah.
I don't know whether you can see that, but
Yeah.
Okay, whatever. And then here also you have the fake vents. Now moving on to the side. The side looks
Side looks
aggressive.
sporty, yeah.
Exactly. So it looks like
Aggressive.
a pure hot hatch. It looks like because this what do you say, huge body line kind of thing. This crease runs all the way till the end, and then it merges with the tail lights over
Yeah.
here, which is very nice.
My favorite part of the car is the tail lights actually. Like I love the way it comes from here till here.
Exactly,
Looks
it's a
so epic,
huge tail
yeah.
light. And just one more thing over here, the door handles are painted in the body color. They're not chrome or anything. Yeah, and you get 14-inch tires as standard. You get 14s as standard. You can't upgrade them to 15s or 16s or whatever. Then, yeah, you have the back over here. It's a lovely back.
You have a tiny exhaust, I guess.
Yeah, the exhaust, if you see, it's over here.
Yeah, which is a bit too tiny.
It's angled kind of
So,
down.
yeah.
Then you have the reverse rear parking cameras over here. Here, these
Yeah.
small dots you see. And then you have the Honda badging all in chrome. You have this huge chrome bar with this rear wiper which runs all the way long. Jazz V, so it's a V. And it's the iV Tech. As I said before, it's on the ID
yeah,
Tech. So V Tech means it's petrol. D Tech
Yeah.
means it's diesel. So it's the automatic, not the
It's
manual.
petrol automatic.
Exactly, and it doesn't have any kind of rear spoiler or any
Yeah.
extra. It doesn't have a shark fin antenna. Yeah, that's about the design. Let's move on to the
Guys,
interior.
now we're inside the car and
Interior.
yeah,
Exactly. So I just figured it out. I did a lot of research. It's actually a 4-speed automatic, but it has an S. I just confirmed that it was sport mode because
Yeah.
this has paddles.
Yeah, which is so shocking. Jazz having paddle shifters is so
Exactly,
cool.
and it's written a plus and minus, so downshift, upshift. I don't know, I'm so obsessed with this now. And then you have the steering mounted controls over here.
Yeah.
Not much. You have only the volume and nothing else. Here you don't have a cruise control and all those things.
Yeah.
And then you have the Arven's shape very nicely with this
Yeah.
metallic finish. Then yeah, you
You've
have
got
this-
and to be honest with you, you've got a lot of space. I have really long legs, but still it's not touching this.
Exactly. And you have a glove box over here, a decently sized glove box.
Yeah. And could you on the car?
Yeah.
We'll show you the radio.
So as you see, this is nothing right now. This is a piece of
which
slab.
looks so cool. And when you on it, like I love the way.
So this comes first.
Yeah, the logo. Help. Yeah, it did work.
That is so cool.
Yeah, this looks so satisfying.
So I'm being honest with you guys. I prefer physical buttons like this. I'm not a big fan of touch because when you're driving, you don't know where you're touching it. This one, at least you know you're feeling what you're feeling. I don't know. It's my personal opinion.
Yeah.
Don't hit me.
No.
Whatever. Then you have a power socket over here for charging your phone, maybe. Then you have an auxiliary port here, USB port here.
Oh, so cool the way they.
Exactly. Just
Oh yeah, that's so good.
yeah, and that's about it. You
Yeah.
have some kind of what do you say, dead buttons over here, and then
And parking.
the hazard lights are over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it's showing the instrument cluster. Now this goes all the way till 220. I don't know whether you can see. It goes all the way till 220 just like any other Honda car. It research the top speed, it's around 160, 65. So even if you tune it, it's hard to go above 200.
Yeah.
It's a hatchback, it's obvious. And then the rev counter, it redlines at 6,500 RPM pure VTEC. Then it shows, here you have a digital display which shows you how many kilometers you have done and what's your AC temperature and all those things.
And you have those 4 window controls.
All these
in
are
the
power.
driver's pane.
All are power windows, and then you have the mirror controlling thing over here, the button which controls the mirrors. Then you have the power window lock. You have the rear
And the
mirror
lights
here.
are really cool because you just have to press it like this. Oh my god, this is so good. To be honest with you, I'm really fascinated with the Honda Jazz. I never expected it's so good.
And then you have a
Mirror. I'm not doing face reveal because that thing will show my face.
you have a vanity mirror over here.
Yeah.
So you have a huge mirror over here, rear view mirror.
Yeah, it's sportily placed. over
Exactly,
here.
very huge one.
Yeah.
And then that's about the front. Let's move on to
Yeah.
the back seat.
Right,
Yeah, so
so,
we are in the back seat right now, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have closed the door. One thing I have to tell you guys. Loads
Oh my
of
God.
knee room.
Yeah.
Loads of knee room, and the best thing is loads of leg room.
That would also explain why the Jazz is a bit long compared to the other.
Exactly, it's like
hatchbacks.
almost 4 meters. That is like just a little less than the City. That is
Yeah.
like awesome for a hatchback.
Yeah.
So loads of knee room, loads of leg room, loads of headroom. You have everything loads, to be honest.
Yeah.
Even the seating position is not that upright. You're sitting, the angle
Oh,
is
yeah, it's perfect.
Exactly, it's perfect. And you have this typical Honda
Yeah.
soft close. You don't have the dobu thing.
Oh yeah, yes. Dobu Dobu is an old car.
Exactly, yeah. And then what do we have here? We don't have a sunroof. Now, the other reason why I like the Jazz, if you want to squeeze a third person, you can, because there is not much of a hump.
Yeah. Oh, Jazz is 3-seater. You'll sit perfectly. See, there's a lot
Exactly.
of space between you and Shyam.
And even if I sit here,
Yeah.
okay, it is little annoying because under thigh support is not there. You don't have this under thigh support.
But still, you
But
can
still-
make the shortest guy sit over
Exactly.
there. It'll be
And
perfect.
I'm being honest with you, even the tallest guy can sit here comfortably.
Yeah. And Shyam's pretty tall if you haven't seen
Yeah,
him
I'm
in
like
real.
5'4", 5'8". Then here at the front, I forgot to mention, you have these manually adjustable headrests. At back, you have the fixed ones. You can't.
Oh, that's
adjust them.
sad. But yeah, no.
If you saw the i10 video, the i10 had those in the
Oh,
back also.
okay, Lord.
And then you have the rear window over here. I don't know what's that for, just for feeling a little more
Yeah.
airy. You have huge door bins. It can handle like, I think 500 ml to 700 ml bottles, 750 ml bottles. Awesome. And then even the armrest is placed nicely. You have the, again, metallic treatment over here to lock and unlock the doors. And
Yeah, that's all for
that's
the
about
boot.
it. So guys, now we just came from the rear seat. We'll open the boot. Don't see the number plate, whatever.
There's no point, you can't
Exactly.
practice.
So these has the struts. I think it's McPherson struts. And if you see, the boot opens wide, like it's
Yeah.
huge. And then what you get here is a 354 liter boot space. And honestly, that's more than the EcoSport that you saw.
Oh my god, yeah,
The
bro.
EcoSport is 352 liters. So this is
Oh,
2 liters
oh.
more than the EcoSport.
So, and honestly, then you should buy a Jazz because EcoSport is 11 lakh
Exactly. So
to 13 lakh. Whereas you get the Jazz for how much? 8 lakhs?
7.
9 lakh? 7.
Seven,
Oh, that,
yeah.
You save so much money.
Exactly, and you get, it's a very practical car. I'm just taking it
Yeah.
off now. And then you have the parcel tray over here, which you can lift it, and you can get more space. You can take this out and increase your storage. What is this? 354 liters. And then it has wide opening boot. Even the boot sill. So this is pretty, low to the ground, so you can load things very easily. It's not high. And then you have a light over here, which it's sensor based. So once it just comes on when you open the boot. And that's
Yeah,
it. So guys,
so-
come here. So you have 2 levers over here. This one is, as you see, the logo tells a fuel tank opener, and then this one, it's kind of engraved in black. Whatever, I'm just telling you, it means to open the bonnet. So let's open it. Oh, you
Oh,
hear
yeah.
that nice
The
noise?
sound can-
Exactly. So it's unlocked. Now what you do is you close the door, and then you have a lever over here, and then you unlock it, open the bonnet.
Yeah.
Guys, I just hope it doesn't fall. Not my car. Okay, first thing you see, you have insulation over here so that the bonnet doesn't get hot. Others all metal. Awesome. Here is the heart of the car. The thing I love the most about cars. It is the beloved Honda's 1.2 liter naturally aspirated iVTEC engine, and interesting numbers. So it produces 90 horsepower and 110 Newton meters of torque.
Only 90.
90, yeah. So if you see the horsepower, it is 10 more than the i10. If you the Newton meters of torque, it is 2 less than the i10. The i10 was 112. So whatever, you have the battery over here. It's all pretty compact. They have tried to make it a good hatchback. All the wiring over there. Yeah, that's about the engine. And
Yeah, we're closing.
Yeah, so we're ending off this review by talking about the verdict of the car. So what do we think of the car?
It's
I think
yeah.
it is worth that I love the hatchback.
Yeah.
I don't know why. This is one of the... And another thing, because it's Honda, it's so reliable. It is like very good, make and all, it's sustainable. So it very reliable. So you can rev the engine, pure VTEC. So It's a very nice car. It's an epic
Yeah,
car.
it's a really good hatchback.
Exactly. So
Yeah, it's too good to be an hatchback.
only thing they could have tweaked the horsepower a little more. I just wish.
Yeah.
The horsepower from 90 at
Yeah.
least to 105. That
But
would
then
be-
again, cost will increase.
cost will increase.
Will
But that
become
would have
8
been-
lakhs.
That would have been fun. But
Yeah.
still, it's still a very fun car to drive.
Fun car,
Exactly,
yeah.
it's an awesome car for the price you pay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
its competition is mainly the i20 Tata Altros, I think. So
Yeah.
before we end this review again,
Please
don't forget to-
subscribe.
Exactly. Please don't forget to subscribe.
And
to
give
this
a
channel.
like. Like, don't give like this. I know my thumb goes like that, but yeah.
Yeah, it's okay if you don't give a like.
Yeah.
No matter. Just please subscribe.
And give your honest comments.
Exactly,
Because
yeah.
we won't mind if you give any dissing comment.
Yeah,
Like,
so-
yeah, we prefer honest.
Yeah. So please subscribe
Yeah.
and
Enjoy the content.
yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Stay tuned.